Hello friends. This is Brian. Today I will teach you how to recharge your platform balance. First, you have to open the recharge menu, then type your contact number and select the preferred account category. Then simply copy the receiver's account number and note the account title. After that, go to your banking application and normally transfer your preferred recharge amount to him, and take a screenshot of payment voucher. Now come back to the platform and upload the payment voucher first. Then come back to the screenshot and copy the TRX ID from the voucher and again come back to the platform and paste it. After all the steps, tap on confirm payment and the funds will be added to your account in 5 to 10 minutes.